Hey creators, welcome back to Creator Fact. Audio is just as important as video when it comes to creating engaging content. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust audio levels, add sound effects, SFX, ambient sounds and background music, and how to you can make your video sounds like a pro in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to learn all about audio adjustment in Adobe Premiere Pro project, then this video is really perfect for you. So let's get started. First, import your audio files, whatever it's dialogue, background music or sound effects. Simply drag and drop them into the media bin or use file and then import. Once imported, drag the audio file onto the timeline below your video clips. To adjust audio levels, click on the audio track in the timeline. Then go to the Effect Controls panel and look for the volume option. You can drag the decibel slider up or down to increase or decrease the audio level. Alternatively, hover over the yellow line on the audio clip in the timeline and drag it up or down to make adjustment directly. Background music adds depth to your video. Import your music track, place it on the timeline, and adjust its volume so it doesn't overpower your voice. A good rule of thumb is to keep the music volume between -18 dB to -25 dB. Pro tips for using essential sound: dialogue. If you have selected dialogue, use the reduce noise and reduce reverb sliders to clean up background noise or echo. You can also apply the loudness auto match feature to normalize your audio levels. Music. For background music, use the ducking feature to automatically lower the music volume when dialogue is playing. Just enable ducking, adjust sensitivity and amount, and click Generate Keyframes. Creative effects. Experiment with the clarity slider under dialogue to make your voice sounds crisper, or add subtle dynamics using the Enhance Speech option for male or female voices. Fade in and fade out audio. To create smooth audio transitions, use the constant gain or exponential fade effects. Go to the effects panel, search for these effects, and drag them onto the beginning or end of the audio clip. This will create a professional fade-in or fade-out effect. Premiere Pro also has built-in audio effects like denoise to reduce background noise or reverb to add depth to your audio. Go to the effects panel, drag the effects onto your audio clip, and customize the settings in the Effect Controls panel to suit your needs. If you are working with external audio recorded separately, make sure to sync it with your video. Right-click the clips in the timeline, select Synchronize, and choose the audio track as the reference. And that's it. With these audio editing tips, your videos will not only look great but sound amazing. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get our next episode about Adobe Premiere Pro basic learning episode. So see you on the next video. Bye bye.